Hello everyone, MJ here. I don't really want to upgrade my Pixel 2 XL to Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL. You may want to know why? Before getting into details, let's take a look at what Google advertised on Pixel 2 back in 2017 and Pixel 3 now in 2018.
Got to own it, just like a boss. In my zone, yeah, gon' show it all. It's just so effortless, so effortless. It's just so effortless. Hashtag blessed. We make it look easy, we make it look good. When everybody sees it, they stop and take a look. So celebrate yourself, celebrate. So celebrate yourself. You can't resist, don't even try. Magnificent, ain't gonna lie. It's just so effortless, so effortless. We feel so fun, I must confess. We make it look good, we make it look good. We make it look easy, we make it look good. When everybody sees it, they stop and take a look. So celebrate yourself, celebrate. So celebrate yourself, it's gonna feel so great. We make it look good, we make it look good.
I got a whole crew of people, I call all of them fam. And whenever we're together, got the world in my hand. Said the future's looking bright, I got my feet in the sand. I say, hey, I'm all about it, taking that chance. I got my eye on all the prizes, got my threads on, they be styling. Can you pick up what I'm vibing? Don't you hold it back, don't fight it. I said, hey, we just wanna play. Don't care what they say, we do it our way. I'm the real thing. I'm the real thing. Do you feel me? I'm the real thing.
Okay, yeah, I'm feeling like you feel me. Ain't no problem, it's the real me. Yeah, I'm feeling like you feel me. Ain't no problem, it's the real me.
Feel it, yeah, I feel it. That's the realest feeling I know.
Now let's have few quick comparisons. 1. Top and bottom bezels didn't change much. The new Pixel 3 XL has same bezels as Pixel 2, plus ugly notch on the top. 2. Stereo speakers didn't change much. Pixel 2 and Pixel 3 sound almost similar. 3. Colored power button didn't change. 4. Single back camera didn't change much except for some software tweaks. 5. Squeeze for Google Assistant is no change. 6. Pixel 2 and Pixel 3 both runs on latest OS Android Pie. 7. Google Lens is available on both Pixel 2 and Pixel 3 devices. 8. AR Core and AR stickers available on both Pixel and Pixel 3 devices. 9. Free unlimited photo storage in Google Cloud. That's not new in Pixel 3, it's already there for all Pixel 2 owners. 10. Do Not Disturb mode is not something new on Pixel 3, it is available for users who are on Android Pie. And so on. In my opinion, apart from new display, call screening AI feature, wireless charging and some camera tweaks, I don't want to throw away my $700 Pixel 2 XL and buy $900 Pixel 3 XL, it's just way too much for the price and features you get out of the box if you are already a Pixel 2 owner. I believe most of the software features soon become available to Pixel 2 via software updates. In my opinion, don't rush in and throw away your Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL phones. Just wait little more and watch out for software updates from Google to get Pixel 3 features, maybe not everything but most of them on Pixel 2 devices. XDA developers already started modding Pixel 3 software features available to install on Pixel 2. Night Sight, which is available on Pixel 3, is now available for Pixel 2 devices. Modded APK is posted by XDA developers community. Anyway, that's the reason why I don't want to upgrade my Pixel 2 to Pixel 3. If you like this video, please hit like and share with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel for more tech videos.